Imagine walking into a room that just feels like you. Warm lighting, cozy corners, little aesthetic details that reflect your personality, without spending a ton of money. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of DIY room decor. Whether your vibe is soft girl, minimalist, dark academia, or cottagecore, I've got you covered with creative, budget-friendly ideas that will completely transform your space. These are real, achievable DIYs that look expensive, are super aesthetic, and can be done with basic supplies. So grab your scissors, glue, a cup of your favorite drink, and let's make your room your dream place. Chapter 1. Planning your aesthetic. Before starting any DIY, the first step to creating an aesthetic room is understanding your vibe. Think of your room as your personal canvas. What mood do you want to feel when you walk in? Do you want it to be calm and cozy like a soft cloud? Clean and organized like a Pinterest board? Or bold and energetic with bright colors? Step 1. Pick a color palette. Stick to 3 to 4 colors maximum. Choose a base, like white, beige, gray, or pastel pink. Add 1 or 2 accent colors that match your vibe. For example, minimalist vibe, white, beige, tan, sage green. Dark academia, brown, cream, forest green, gold. Soft aesthetic, baby pink, cream, soft lavender. Grunge, black, gray, burgundy, silver. Step 2. Decide on your theme. Themes make decorating 10 times easier. Some popular room themes: cottagecore, Y2K, vintage, pastel, boho chic, clean girl, modern luxury, and cozy academia. Step 3. Plan the corners. Break your room into zones: bed zone, study or work corner, vanity or mirror area, accent wall or art wall, cozy sitting spot, if space allows. Planning these zones makes your DIY project way more organized and ensures your room looks cohesive instead of random. Chapter 2. Accent wall and DIY wall decor. Now let's start with one of the biggest transformations, your wall. Your wall sets the tone for the whole room. Even a small DIY touch can instantly make it look curated and aesthetic. 1. DIY photo collage wall. Choose 15 to 30 of your favorite photos, Pinterest prints, or aesthetic quotes. Print them in matte finish for a clean look. Arrange them in a neat grid or random collage. Use double-sided tape or tiny clothespins on string lights for a fairy tale vibe. Pro tip: stick to your chosen color palette. Even black and white prints can look super classy. 2. DIY wall hanging. You can make a simple macrame wall hanging using thick yarn, cotton rope, or even old t-shirts cut into strips. Braid or knot the strands in patterns. There are tons of easy beginner tutorials online. Hang it on a wooden dowel, a tree branch, or a curtain rod for that handmade, boho charm. 3. Tape art or geometric wall design. If painting your wall isn't an option, try using washi tape or removable wall stickers. Create clean lines, arches, or abstract shapes. It's renter-friendly and super easy to peel off later. Bonus tip: neutral tones give a soft vibe, bold colors make a statement wall. 4. Fairy lights and string lights magic. Wrap fairy lights around your photo wall, window, or mirror edges. Use warm-toned lights for cozy vibes and white lights for a clean aesthetic. You can even make your own cloud fairy lights by putting bulbs in a plastic bottle and covering it with some cotton. It looks cute and aesthetic. Chapter 3. DIY bed and cozy corner. Next up, let's talk about the coziest part of your room, your bed or sitting corner. Your bed is the centerpiece, and with just a few creative DIYs, it can look like something straight out of an aesthetic Pinterest board. 1. Layered bedding aesthetic. Start with plain bed sheets in a solid base color. Add a fluffy comforter or duvet. Throw on a blanket or knit throw casually at the foot of the bed. Add 3 to 5 decorative pillows in different textures: velvet, faux fur, linen. Play with shapes: round, square, or heart-shaped for a soft look. 2. DIY headboard, budget-friendly. If you don't have a headboard, make a faux one. Use foam board or cardboard, cover it with fabric, and stick it behind the bed. You can also paint an arched headboard shape on the wall for that dreamy effect. 3. Bedside DIY decor. Instead of buying expensive bedside tables, stack pretty storage boxes, crates, or a stool and decorate with A tiny lamp can be DIY made from mason jars or just papers and fairy lights. A few books. A cute flower vase, you can use an old bottle and paint it. 4. Cozy corner vibes. If you have some extra space, create a cozy corner. Add a soft rug, a beanbag or floor cushions. Decorate with candles, real or LED, plushies, a basket for blankets, or fairy lights overhead. This corner becomes the perfect chill zone for reading, journaling, or just scrolling through your phone. Chapter 4. DIY shelves and organization. Now that your bed area is Pinterest perfect, let's give some love to shelves and organization. Aesthetic rooms aren't just about decoration, they're about smart organization that looks cute too. 1. DIY floating shelves. If allowed, install floating shelves. Otherwise, you can use stick-on racks or mini wall ledges. Paint them to match your room's palette. Decorate with candles, plants, books, or small decor pieces. Keep it minimal, too much clutter ruins the vibe. 2. Creative storage boxes. Instead of buying expensive organizers, DIY them. Take old shoe boxes, wrap them in printed or plain paper, and add labels. Use baskets and paint or tie ribbons around them for a soft aesthetic. Add lace, stickers, or washi tape for detail. 3. Pegboards and hanging racks. Pegboards are a game changer. You can hang your jewelry, small plants, aesthetic notes, sunglasses, or mini shelves on them. Plus, they give that trendy, put-together look. 4. DIY mirror frame and vanity setup. Take a basic mirror and glue artificial vines, fairy lights, or seashells around the edges. Place your skincare, perfumes, or jewelry neatly in trays. Use clay and decorate the outline of the mirror as you want, according to your room's palette and vibe. 5. Under bed storage DIY. Use old suitcases or flat boxes under your bed. Wrap them with fabric or wallpaper. Not only will they store extra stuff, but they'll also look cute and intentional. You can also paint them if you like. Chapter 5. DIY lighting and ambiance. Lighting is the secret sauce of every aesthetic room. Even the plainest room can look magical with the right lighting setup. 1. Fairy lights galaxy. Drape fairy lights on your ceiling or walls in wave patterns. Add tulle or sheer fabric on top for a dreamy galaxy effect. Perfect for cozy night vibes or journaling. 2. Mason jar lamps. Fill a mason jar with fairy lights or battery-operated candles. Decorate the outside with ribbons, paint, or lace. Place them on shelves, bedside tables, or your cozy corner. It will give a warm and calming effect in your room. 3. DIY LED strip setup. LED strips are super popular and cheap. Place them behind your bed frame, mirror, or under your desk. Pick warm tones for cozy vibes or pastel colors for a soft aesthetic. Pro tip: avoid rainbow flashing lights, stick to steady, soft hues. 4. Candle decor, safe version. If real candles aren't safe for you, use LED candles. Place them in glass jars, on trays, or around mirrors. You can even DIY scented candles by melting old wax and adding your favorite fragrance. Chapter 6. DIY desk and productive corner. If you're a student or love working from your room, a cute and organized desk setup is a must. This is where functionality meets aesthetic. 1. Minimal desk organization. Start by decluttering everything you don't use daily. Keep only essentials: laptop, notebooks, pens, water bottle, lamp. Use DIY pen holders from cans or cardboard wrapped in craft paper or fabric. It instantly looks cute. 2. DIY desk mat and coasters. Instead of buying expensive mats, make one with thick fabric or leather-like material. Paint or embroider cute patterns on it. Matching coasters instantly elevate the desk look. 3. Inspo board and planner wall. Use a cork board or old cardboard wrapped in linen fabric. Pin aesthetic photos, your goals, sticky notes, or daily to-dos. Add fairy lights around it for cozy energy. 4. Drawer organization hacks. Use cardboard to make compartments inside drawers. Wrap them with colored paper for a clean finish. It's perfect for organizing makeup, stationery, or skincare. Chapter 7. DIY decor pieces and personal touch. Now let's talk about the little details that bring your room together. These are those final touches that make your space feel truly yours. 1. DIY clay decor. Air-dry clay is super affordable and fun to work with. You can make mini trays, jewelry dishes, cute candle holders, or wall ornaments. Paint them in soft pastel shades or gold accents. 2. DIY plant decor. If you can't maintain real plants, faux plants work just as well. Use old jars, tin cans, or small baskets as planters. Paint the pots to match your aesthetic. Hanging plants give a cottagecore or boho vibe, while small succulents fit minimalist rooms perfectly. 3. DIY frames and art prints. Instead of buying expensive wall art, print your own quotes, illustrations, or photos. You can even paint your own minimalist line art. Frame them using cheap frames or make your own with cardboard and gold paint. 4. DIY rugs and mats. You can make your own soft rug by braiding old t-shirts or using fluffy fabric scraps. It adds instant coziness and texture to your floor. Chapter 8. DIY fragrance and sensory aesthetic. A truly aesthetic room isn't just about how it looks, it's also about how it feels and smells. 1. Room sprays and scents. Mix water, essential oil, and a bit of rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Lavender, vanilla, or citrus scents make the room feel fresh and inviting. 2. DIY potpourri. Take dried flowers, orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Mix them in a bowl or glass jar. It looks beautiful and smells heavenly. 3. Fabric freshener. Spray the same essential oil mix lightly on curtains, bedding, or cushions. Your room will smell cozy all day long. Chapter 9. Renter-friendly hacks. If you live in a dorm or rental place, don't worry, you can still decorate without damaging walls or floors. Use command hooks or sticky strips instead of nails. Go for removable wallpaper or wall decals for accent walls. Use floor rugs and throw blankets to add texture without painting or drilling. Lean framed prints against the wall instead of hanging them. Stick on LED strips and fairy lights are renter safe and easy to remove. Chapter 10. Maintenance and keeping the vibe. Now, the real secret to having an aesthetic room is not just creating it, it's maintaining it. Daily 5-minute reset. Make your bed every morning. Put things back in their place before sleeping. Weekly mini refresh. Dust your shelves and wipe down surfaces. Reorganize your desk and corners. Monthly revamp. Change up your collage prints or rearrange small decor pieces. This keeps your room feeling new without spending anything. Over time, your room becomes not just a decorated space, but a reflection of you. A place that keeps evolving as you do. And that's how you can completely transform your room into your dream aesthetic space using nothing but your creativity and a few budget-friendly DIYs. Remember, your room doesn't have to look perfect. It just has to make you feel happy, safe, and inspired. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more glow-up and aesthetic guides, and comment below your favorite DIY idea from this list. Until next time, keep creating, keep glowing, and keep romanticizing your space.